Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So, bienvenue, hein. Welcome to another French video, and this French video is again about le français du tourisme, hein. Donc you can check the playlist, le français du tourisme. Today, what I'm going to tell you is about les acteurs du tourisme. Les acteurs du tourisme. This will be more like an explanation to you. I think something that you know also, but we can see the words in English. So what in French? What do we have? First, we have le transport. Le transport. So the tourists will arrive, the tourists will come, and then you need to fetch them, you need to transport them from one place to the other place. So what kind of transportation do we have? We have le loueur. Le loueur. So I told you about this word. Le loueur, such as, for instance, it could be avis. So they will run the car. They will run the things for you. Loueur de voiture. Okay. What else do you have? You have also le chauffeur. Le chauffeur, it can be un chauffeur, it can be the private driver. Le chauffeur, the driver, it can be the private driver, chauffeur privé, hein. It can be also a bus, chauffeur de bus. So it can be chauffeur de bus, une compagnie de bus. D'accord? So there are many agencies like this. In fact, the tourists usually they will travel by bus and they will go, or it can be the private driver. And of course, you have other kind of transportation, as I told you. Par exemple, le croisiériste, who organize the cruise. And then you have also la compagnie aérienne, if you need to travel and take the plane, la compagnie aérienne, la compagnie ferroviaire, in France is la SNCF, ferroviaire. I think it's like this that you write ferroviaire, I'm not sure. No, I made a mistake. Ferroviaire, there's no accent, ferroviaire. In French is SNCF. Okay, so first you have the transport. Second thing that you have is l'hébergement. So of course the tourists, they will sleep somewhere. So there are all kind of accommodation. So hébergement, we'll have l'hôtel. Mais pas not only l'hôtel, hein. We also have Airbnb, la chambre de l'hôte. L'hôte is not le hotel. L'hôte is someone who will receive a chambre d'hôte, will receive people at his place. La chambre d'hôte. Le gîte, l'hôte. Bon, I will write like this. Le gîte, la chambre d'hôte. Okay. L'hôtel, Airbnb is more like le gîte, la chambre d'hôte. And then, of course, for each of these fields, you have people who work. Huh? You can be working, maybe you work in the tourism industry. You can be working as le loueur. You can be working as the driver. Okay. You can be working to organize the cruise. You can be working in the airplane company. Okay. If you can be working in the hotel for hébergement. You can be working in the gîte, la chambre d'hôte. Okay. What else do we have? We have, of course, the restaurant. So when you travel in a country, especially you travel in France, the food is very important. So, la restauration, le restaurant. Here there is not, there's also different kind of restaurant. La restauration. Le restaurant. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have? We have, of course, all that is about l'animation. So especially if you go to some specific place, you have maybe the visit, but you have some kind of animation, the guide, the activities, okay? Les animateurs, donc l'animation. It can be un club de vacances. Ça peut être summer camp. It could be a summer camp, un camp d'été. It can be un camping. There's all kind of animation, you know. Okay. What else do we have? of course, we have the insurance, l'assurance. L'assurance is very important. So, l'assureur. L'assurance will be l'assureur ou l'assurance. And around this, who will organize all this? Who will organize the world travel? This will be the travel agent. The travel agent, okay? The travel agent is going to organize the whole, everything, usually. The whole package. So we organize the transport. Le transport, il organise l'hébergement. He will organize the going to what food you eat. And he organize what activities you do, okay? Il va faire un séjour touristique. So, c'est l'agent de voyage. L'agence de voyage. L'agence de voyage. I will put it in normal. Organise un séjour touristique. Donc, ils organisent l'hébergement. L'hébergement, so where do you sleep? L'hébergement. Ou le logement, l'hébergement, la restauration, la nourriture, le transport, les visites, l'animation, les visites, d'accord? So, l'agence de voyage, organize everything, the travel agent. In between, you also have the promotion. You also have some people who work for the promotion. So, it's huge. Huh? It's just to give you an idea a little bit. What else do you have? You also have the promotion. So, the promotion... La promotion, c'est another field of work. La promotion in France is organized by the government. This is the Office de Tourisme. Office de Tourisme. So you have the tourism office. In fact, I'm saying the government, but I don't think so. But I think it's paid by the city. L'Office de Tourisme. Or maybe they receive the subsidies from the government. L'Office de Tourisme, the tourism agency, and they will take care of doing the promotion. Okay. So they will do the promotion of the hotel, they will do the promotion of different places, l'Office de Tourisme. But then you also have, maybe now you also have private advertisement using the videos, using the phone. So you have people who work for themselves, but usually they work for a travel agency, l'agence de voyage. Okay. Now I can see in France there are many Chinese people who come as a tourist. So there are many Chinese travel agents who make, by the way, a lot of money. And what they do is they will organize. They will have, ils ont une agence de voyage and they organize everything. Okay. So and of course, in order to organize this, they need to get in touch and contact. For instance, they will contact the restaurant. They contact le club d'animation. They will contact the cruise company, le croisiériste. They will contact the bus company, la compagnie de bus, you know, and they organize everything. Okay. Let's see together. Let's repeat together. Just the main actors, you know, les acteurs du tourisme. Donc le transport, le loueur, le chauffeur, l'hébergement, l'hôtel, le gîte, la chambre d'hôte, la restauration, le restaurant, l'animation, club vacances, camp d'été, camping, visite, okay. L'assurance, avec la compagnie d'assurance, l'agence de voyage, de travel agents, l'agence de voyage qui organise le séjour touristique, hébergement, nourriture, transport, animation, assurance, and so on. They organize everything. La promotion en France se fait par l'Office de tourisme. D'accord? Merci les amis, n'oubliez pas, don't forget, give me thumbs up, it helps the channel grow. I love you all, je vous aime, à bientôt.